Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I'm continuing on with Paper Week, and we're going to talk about paper plates. And some of you are going to go, I know I'm going to get a lot of feedback, pushback on paper, but there are times you need to have paper products, and paper plates is one of the times. Hey, if you got small kids or grandkids and you're doing certain things that could be messy or slippery with a ceramic or a glass plate, give them a paper plate, because if they drop it, you're not going to break your good plates. Example, watermelon. You give a kid a piece of watermelon on a regular plate, it's going to start, as it juices out, it's going to get slippery. And I've seen many of my nieces and nephews, oops, there goes the plate on the ground, and ooh, it's in many pieces now. And so that's why, my brother and sister learned for their kids paper plates. And there are other reasons to have paper plates too. One is if the water goes out. It could just be a temporary outage where some construction crews dig in the street and they accidentally hit the water line, and you're without water for a couple days, and you don't have water to waste on washing dishes. So paper plates come in handy there. Another good reason for paper plates, if you're doing backyard camping or you're just going out camping, you don't want to have to wash regular plates out there. When you have a paper plate, you're done with it, you can put it in the campfire and it's done and gone. Alright, so remember, add to your preps paper goods. Paper plates is today's prep. Alright, so I'm going to put a link to my other channel, Camp Patton Family Compound, where I do gardening and stuff, but I do have some prepping videos over there, so you may want to check it out. Put that link right up here. I'm going to put two other links for you to share out. The Prepping for Beginners link up here, and then the Prepping in Private link down here. Because you want your friends to get prepared so they don't come after your stuff and you end up like this.